I've actually managed to park right outside my lockup, which is a miracle. This very rarely happens, despite having these no parking signs on the doors, and I forgot my keys. So excited to be able to actually park right outside the doors. I forgot my keys. The landlord has painted the doors, and he's also painted the bottom of my padlock as well. He's managed to paint the signs too. He's telling me he's painting round them. He has as well. Look at this. He's not bothered taking the signs off. He's painted around the signs. That's funny. Right. In a minute now, there we go. We've got light. So many years ago, well, it makes me sound old. Yeah, it was actually. Actually, that's not far from the truth. Many years ago, I was a bit of a petrol head, and the reason I'm here today is for this box here, because within this crate is a ton, well, not quite a ton, probably be about 20 kilos of cleaning products. As you can see, they're quite old. I've had them a while, but today I'm going to take these cleaning products and clean the Sprinter as much as I possibly can. That's my task for today, is to prepare the Sprinter for the handover, to hand it over to the new owner, which coincidentally, the draw for the Sprinter raffle is going to take place tomorrow. So if you haven't got a ticket yet, make sure you grab one, because they're selling fast. Sounds like a sales pitch, doesn't it? Seriously though, everyone that's bought tickets for the raffle to the Sprinter, thank you so much, and I wish you all the best of luck. Right, let's get this in the van. Right, that's that. There are a couple of other things I want to grab while I'm here. What else was it I wanted? Don't you hate that feeling? There was something else. I'm buggered if I can remember. Oh, that's the seat for the Sprinter, by the way. I brought a double seat, like a whole double seat, just in case the winner wants a double seat, because the Sprinter seat has been cut in half. So that's an option for the lucky owner, or the lucky winner. I'll just leave it there. I think it's safe there. It's not going to get damp or dirty. Right, there was something else though. I'm buggered if I can remember what it was. Nice. That was nice and easy. That's got to be the quickest I've ever been in and out of my lockup ever. Usually I've struggled to park here, because after all, this is a big vehicle and this is a very tiny car park. Yeah, and it does get busy in here. Right, let's go. It's getting a little bit crowded in here. Let's get rid of this. I think what I'm going to do is actually start by cleaning, or trying to make the black bumpers and that look nice, like re-black all of the trim and everything. And to do that, I'm going to simply use some of my favourite T-cut. Right, I need a rag now, don't I? I know some people like to get blowtorches and stuff and all that, but I don't fancy doing that. It is an option. You can use heat guns and things, but this is just black wax. It looks good and it does the job. There we go, look at that. There we go. difficult, is it? You can see the difference. Come closer, come look. So there, you can see the top I've done, the bottom I haven't. It's just black wax basically. So I'm going to go around, do the whole van. Just want to make it look really nice. Does that make sense? Of course it does. It just makes it, I don't know, it makes it pop a bit better, doesn't it? Let's take some of these books out. Look at that, still got the original owner's manual. It's amazing. This was a demonstration vehicle for Mercedes, which would explain why it's got so many extras. It's got aircon, it's an automatic, and also it's got headlight squirters, like washers, which I've not seen on any other Sprinter. Built-in sat-nav. Yeah. Incredible amount of extras on this, but it was, like I say, a Mercedes demonstration vehicle. So that's probably why it's got all the extras. Oh, I can't put it out here because just put the gear lever down there so I can get behind it.
Recording. One channel started.
Yes, thanks for that. Here's a little tip, use a brush and it gets the dust out of all the little cracks and crevices. Just a nice clean brush obviously. And look at that, doesn't it make a difference? But anyway, it is literally starting to rain now. Right on cue. So that's the front done.
Recording. One channel started.
Just jump in the back now, but first let's move it back under cover. I don't know what it is, but I'm sure the weather hates me. Just clean the outside of my van and it starts raining. Now this is a really expensive mattress, and it just so happens it's got a zip that goes all the way around it, so you can take the top off. So I'm going to take this off and take it to Launderette and give it a good clean. Here's the ironic thing. Just before we left the barn, I put this mattress in here. And since leaving the barn, I've not really used this van that much because I've been flat out working on the Vario. So this mattress has had hardly any use at all. But I still want to give this topper a clean anyway. Just so the new owner knows they've got a nice clean fresh mattress. I'm surprised there's any marks on this because usually I'm quite fastidious on keeping my vans clean. So this isn't very dirty at all. I am quite a clean person as it goes. I mean, you have to be living in such a small space. As soon as I cook a meal, I cook something, do the washing up and then clean everything. It's just part of that, being in that routine, getting into that routine of, like, as soon as you've had a meal, you do your washing up. Once you've done your washing up, you then clean the cooker. Am I going to regret doing this? Potentially. Back doors. You can see now the different layers. So you've got foam, memory foam, and then latex. Let's hope my favourite laundrette is free. No, not free, you have to pay for it, but I mean, nobody's using it. It's right by the town centre. Let's go. Well, I'm at my favourite laundrette, but somebody's using it. And take a look at this. It looks pretty disgusting. The water looks pretty brown, so we won't be using that one. I'm not going to wait around to use it. there is another laundrette not too far from here, so I'm going to go there. Hopefully we'll have better luck there, because that looks pretty disgusting. It is literally drowned in water. Right, let's get out of here. Yeah, that's gross, I'm not using that. Haha, we're in luck. Check this one out, this is so much better. Let's just turn around. Yes. Have a look at this one, this is better. Good job they made of rubber, isn't it? Look at that. It's like brand spanking new. Yeah, it's working. That'll do me. Look at that. We struck out. It says it's going to take 32 minutes. I'm no expert, but surely it should wash before it spins. Yeah, surely the water should go in first. Have I done something wrong? I guess we'll tell in half hour, won't we? Right, let's have something to eat. I do hope this works. I've put it on a delicate wash, so hopefully that mattress topper doesn't get damaged. Because if it does, it could be a really expensive mistake. Some eggs and onion, and we also want some red shit, some green shit, and a bit of cheddar. Really fine chopped onion. Oh, that was almost my finger. Some red shit. Look at it. Crust and diced. Give us a little bit of colour. So we've got kind of diced onion, kind of diced red and green shit. Easiest way to make an egg. Fine. Eggs. Fantastic. Get a bowl. Monty's bowl will do fine. Put that in there like that. Because now we want the butter. This may turn out to be scrambled eggs. Yeah, my omelette has just become scrambled eggs. Like a bit of cheese. Actually, I like a lot of cheese. Okay. Nice and clean, isn't it? So easy nowadays to buy ready meals and processed food. Look at that. I mean, what is wrong with that? Come on, that's nice. Is a nice scrambled omelette. So I'm going to sit here, read my how to use my metal detector manual, have some lunch whilst my washing does. Well, I've just had a text message. It says, your laundry is almost ready. How about that? And literally the text message come through, then I heard the washing machine go clunk. So I'm hoping it's kind of unlocked itself now. Let's have a look. Oh, this big lorry turned up, by the way, and I had to move to let him in. Oh dear, the inconvenience of it all. I'm pretty sure that screw isn't meant to be there. Can you see it? Is that showing up on the camera? Look at that. It's wedged in there. Yeah. Don't think I'll use that dryer. I haven't spotted that. Someone's, probably a builder or something's used it. So I'm just going to bundle my stuff up here. It does look rather clean, which is good. Yeah, I'm going to head back to Becky's and just put it on her dryer, her air dryer, clothes horse type thing. Yes, we'll do that. First, I need to put all of this away. Well, I got back to Becky's last night with my mattress topper. Told her what I'd done. I'd cleaned it in a public laundrette, and she said, you can't do that. So the mattress topper has now been washed at Becky's house and dried, and she used some stuff called Vanish, orangey smelling stuff. Weird it was, but I've got to say, it looks brand new now. But the big question is, has it shrunk? And can I get it back on here? Is it going to go back on? I mean, it was difficult enough to get it off. That way. Oh, I hate overhead lockers. Excuse my bottom, won't you? Oh, what a relief. I really can't tell you how relieved I am. This is actually going back on. It's about that much. I can't get it. Done. It's done. Oh, I'm so relieved. Ow, me head. Oh, what a relief. What's that? Something off my sock. There we are. Right, just got to quickly shut the back doors. Oh, it's better. So there you go, I'm really pleased how that's turned out, and what a relief it went back on. Now we will be going live tomorrow night, being the 22nd of June. We'll be going live around about 6 and we'll be drawing the raffle live here on the channel. So if you've got a ticket, make sure you tune in. It could be you. That was a bit cheesy, wasn't it? And if you haven't got a ticket, link down below. Good luck. I'm really excited about this. This is going to be fantastic.